Hi, I'm Lincoln, and I am an independent insurance adjuster. I've been adjusting since 2022, working with a handful of different carriers, mostly during catastrophic events for things like hurricanes, but also doing daily claims, non-weather water claims, all other peril claims, vehicle impact claims, you name it, fire claims. Yeah, some experience in a lot of different claim types, and always kind of looking for the best way to uh, handle claims quickly and efficiently and thoroughly all at once, which can be hard to do. Basically, your day is spent on the phone with insureds or via email, and assigning inspections and task assignments and reviewing reports and analyzing coverage, reviewing policy documents, kind of a mixture of all those things. And most importantly, when doing all of those things, it's not only that you have to do them, it's not only you have to make the phone call or type the email or dispatch the inspection, but every single time you have to do one of those things, you also have to document what you did into the claim file. So it can be like a cumbersome, redundant process that's a huge time suck in a lot of different ways. And when all these large language models started emerging, all of a sudden it gave the adjuster the ability to basically improve the quality of the work that was being done by exponential amounts, as I'm sure it does in all industries. But just the ability to have professional writing, document all the things that need to be documented in a way that can just be thorough and professional without any errors was a really big game changer. So when that came out, it was really exciting to use. That's interesting about it is it didn't really save very much time, because you're kind of, the quality shot up massively, but just the ability of juggling a recorded statement and get the file, trim the file, download the file, upload it for transcription, put it into an LLM, get the note out right correctly. Or that's just one example. There's plenty. The big time suck, redundant process where you're constantly pulling documents and information from a plethora of different softwares or tabs, whatever, and then getting to start working with FloatSpace. It's been amazing, because basically what they've done is it's been the first tool that I've seen that has harnessed this large language model technology in a customized way specifically for a desk adjuster. So a handful of different things that desk adjusters have to do. And normally it's juggling a few different programs to get all those done. But what FloatSpace has done is that they've put everything into one user interface for the adjuster. So whether you're taking recorded interview or typing an email or reviewing policy or reviewing field adjuster report, all of that information can just be put right into FloatSpace, and it's trained correctly to basically automate the documentation process for the adjuster, where whatever it is that you're doing, you can just focus on doing it. You can focus on having the phone call with the insured, focus on having the recorded interview with the insured, focus on reading the report and not worry about summarizing the report, and cross-referencing it to the facts of the claim and the policy and everything. Just only focus on what the adjuster should be using their mental energy for, and the rest is automated. The documentation process just becomes completely effortless for the adjuster, and you're not stuck juggling a bunch of different programs and splicing out audio clips or